Okay, so this, for example, they have created this administrative unit now with only students and staff within the School of Business. Okay, so there are the relevant staff, and now they have created a role with the administrative permissions for Microsoft Entra users. So this is my Entra users, Microsoft Entra Admin Center. There I have created a user in the same way as in our case. The organization is HMW, and the we have created the role as this users as the School of Business unit for we have created a student named ABC X user. Okay, so now what we'll do, we will add the business school IT team to the role. Okay, so IT team can be the help desk admin, group admin, or user admin. We can classify their scope. Okay, along with their scope. Now, but for this reason, one license requirement is there. For this, we need an Microsoft Entra Premium One license for each administrative unit for administrator. So as we can see here in billing part, we have the licenses. These two licenses we have: Azure Active Directory Premium One as Microsoft Office Business Standard. So we have to purchase those license for the premium users. This is Entra Premium One license, and once is free license we already have, guys. So if we are using a dynamic membership rules for administrative unit, that will require a Microsoft Entra Premium P1 license. Okay, so in our case we have a Active Directory, Azure Active Directory Premium One license, which is same as Entra Premium One license. Okay, because the previous name was Azure Active Directory. So now we will go and create an administrative units. Now that can be created by means of PowerShell or also by means of manually. So we will, for simplicity purpose, we will go to Microsoft Admin Center, and we will create a as a global administrator role. As you can see, guys, we have a global administrator role for here in my name, where we can see it's a GA role for me, for global administrator role, where you can see the role section here. Okay, when we see the roles here, global administrator role, now they are saying that for a private role can use the Entra admin to a center to create an administrator. Now, guys, as you know that I am logging to the Microsoft Entra admin center. Okay, so now here I can go to administrative units, and there I can create the administrative units. Okay, guys. So let's check and see the steps: create an administrative units, then add users or groups as member of administrative units. Okay, so in Microsoft Admin Center already, guys, we have created a user named as ABCXL. Okay, now here I can create an administrative unit or assign this user ABCXYZ to the administrative units, guys. But see, now here there is a challenge, guys, because we need to know that we can't add here because we have a license restriction, guys, as in our deployment scenario you can see here. But for say, we can assign the IT staff to the administrative unit scope administrator role. So the best thing you can achieve here is we can go to Office 365 admin center, and here this ABC XYZ user which we have here, we can assign roles to him. So IT role we can assign, guys. So we'll go to admin center access, and here I can assign him the as per their document, or as per their you know deployment scenario. I will assign him the help desk administrator role, guys. So after assigning the help desk administrator role, let's assign first. This is the help desk administrator role, and I will do save changes. Okay. So now this administrative user, this will be responsible for managing the administrative units. Okay. So let's see, and I will refresh the and Microsoft Admin Center, and here I will click on users. Now this user will be go the assigned roles you can see here, guys. The assigned roles we have assigned him help desk administrator role. Okay, guys. So he can reset passwords for non-administrators and help desk administrators, guys. Okay. So guys, in the short way, I will tell you what we have done here. I have created first in HMW. Actually, my subscription is there for the tenant is HMW. In that, I have the license of AD Premium One. With that, I have created users. Okay, this ABXCXYZ user I have created here. So this user I have created here. Now what after this user, I have assigned him the role. This user, I have assigned him the roles of, which role I have assigned, guys? I have assigned him the role of help desk administrator. Okay, guys. So this up till here, I believe it's clear as per the deployment scenario. Now, this administrator units, as we have assigned the IT staff for administrator unit scoped administrator. Okay, so now from admin center, the permission can be managed only by this ABC user, who is a part of helpless administrator. So now global administrator will not do this helpless task for setting the password resets and doing the other things for like unlocking the account, that he will not do. Here bulk operation can be managed by helpless administrator, guys. Okay, so when we go on bulk assignment, we can upload here the CSV file, and also we can do the management. And if any support request, the help desk support can raise a request for ask the Azure community to perform the specific task, guys. So I hope this video is clear. In the next video, we'll see more in detail about the group assignment and other things. Thank you for watching.